Yes, this is Ali from Price Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you exclusive print on tussar with zari border. We have Gachi by Gachi with Kantha work and Gachi by Gachi with cut work also. These are all exclusive ones. These are all festival collections. So I'll be start. Now this is a sari number 1 and it's a black color Gachi by Gachi tussar, and there is a hand painted and we have done cut work on pallu. Just have a look. Throughout the sari it goes like this. There is a triangle shape design on the pallu and the both side border is given there, and we have done badla work on the body also. It's a very pretty sari. It's a deep color black. It's a charcoal black. Just have a look. And all the tussars are silks and tussars are silk mark certified. We deal in only pure silk and tussars. Just have a look. Closer view. It's a multicolor all badla work, and this is the hand painting on pallu and border. And we have given a border for sleeves also, and there is a cut work there for sleeves. Now this is sari number 2 and it's a pink color sari. It's also a Gachi by Gachi. It's one of the best quality tussar we produce in West Bengal, and just see there is a hand block discharge kalamkari print. It's a rising pallu. This is a rising pallu, and just have a look at cut work. So how intricately done we have done. Just have all our tussars are silks and tussars are silk mark certified. And please take the screenshot if anyone wants to book, and if any kind of customization we can also do the same print in if anyone wants one in a different combination, that can be done on order also. So these are all our own manufacturing and all our own designs, and the price is also very reasonable we keep, and that's why we don't give discounts, because this is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari, and the prints are very nice. It's a kalamkari discharge print, and there is a blouse. We have given a cut work for sleeves, and the design is also there. Now the same design in different combination. It's a natural virgin color tussar. The same rising pallu, the kalamkari print, and on the pallu there is a cut work. It's not a straight cut work, it's a wavy kind of cut work goes through the pallu. See the quality of the tussars. These are all Gachi by Gachi, and these saris have good height. It's almost 47 inch. Normal saris have got maximum 44 or 45, but this is almost 47 width. This is a contrast color blouse. It's a royal blue, and the border is there, and cut work is also there on the different side to 4 sleeves. This is again wow sari, I can say. Black is always my favorite, and just see the kalamkari print and the cut work design. Finishing is also very good. It's also a rising pallu. So see the badla work all over the body. Now the tussar with zari border. It's a hand painted. See the pallu. This is the pallu, black color, and the painting has been done with the grey and black, and there is a little dot on the red color on the floral design. Throughout the sari it goes like this, and both sides the temple border. It's a natural tussar color body. Just have a look. This is the look of the sari, and the painting is awesome. Amiss our painter. We have a skilled painter. This is the look of the sari, and this is a black blouse and with the borders. This is the border. Now this is sari number 6, and it's a geometrical pattern. It's a temple design all over the body. This is the pallu, and there is a skirt part. There is a, see, just have a look. This is upper part, and it's a yellow color. It's a discharge print. Just have a look. This is the look of the sari. It's a truly designer piece, and there is a blouse, contrast blouse. The same design in different combination. This is a mauve color, and this is a pallu. It's a triangle shape all over design throughout the sari. And as I already said that if anyone wants to book the sari, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp on the given number. It is on the screen. Below the screen there is a number, so you can book it. These are all new collections, and there is a mauve color blouse. Now the same design in different combination. This is a red. See the pallu. Throughout the side goes like this. So if any color combination, the same design, that we can do on order. This, see the, just have a look. These are all our design, and it's all our own production. So this is a blouse. This is a combination of orange and red. See the red orange combination, and there is a discharge hand block print throughout the sari. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp on the given number below the screen. The number is and details are there. Just have a look. It's a truly awesome sari. It's a pallu orange. And there is a blouse. Blouse is also an orange color. This is a sari number 10, and it's a navy blue and navy blue color body, and the gray color, and blue and turquoise blue. There is a block print. It's a different kind of block print. It's a new kind of block print we have introducing now. So later you will see this design in different combination. This block print is very nice, and it's a very different kind of block we have used. Just have a look. The color combination is very nice, and turquoise blue. There is a blouse, and this is a deep purple color, and there is a paisley design throughout the sari. It's a twin paisley design. See the design. And pallu, there is a skirt part throughout the sari, that mango motif or kolka design. It will go like this. Just have a look. This is a very nice color combination. It's a deep color purple, deep purple color, and see the design. And this is the sari number 12, and it's a combination of indigo blue and rani color padachal. It's a shocking pink. It's a very bright combination, and see the hand painting. It's all the colors have been merged with each other. It's a combination of yellow, red and orange. See the pallu. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp on the given number on the screen, below the screen. This is the look of the sari. This It's amazing painting, and merging with color with each other, it's a very good, it's looking very good. And there is a Rani color blouse. Sari number 13, it's a lemon yellow and orange color combination. See the pallu, this is the pallu, and so fully hand block print, the kalamkari print throughout the sari, the down part, and this is how it will come. I'll show. It's a very nice color combination, very bright. It's a lemon yellow and orange. Just have a look. And there is a orange contrast blouse with border is there. This is sari number 14, and this is the kalamkari print. It's a parrot green and turquoise blue. This is the pallu. Just have a look of the print. This is our one of our most demanding print. We have done so many color combination in this print. Now this time with parrot green and Firoza color. See the design. This is the pallu, and there is a brown color blouse. Now we have moving towards the sari number 15. It's a gachi by gachi with hand painted and all over kantha work with French knot stitch. This is the pallu stripe, and throughout the sari all over same work. All the sari means designs has been outlined with the kantha stitch and French knot, multicolor French knot. See the, just have a look. It's a very nice combination, orange and Rani color on pallu and throughout the sari. It goes like this. See the multicolor French knot. The blouse and the border is there. This is orange color blouse, and this is the sari number 16, and there is a stripe zari all over the body. And see the pallu is a kantha stitches there, and throughout the design has been outlined with the kantha and multicolor French knot. Just have a look. This is the orange and steel grey color body with the multicolor French knot and kantha. This is the look of the sari, and this is the best quality tussar as I mentioned in the beginning. This is the design on for blouse, and this is the gachi tussar. The last episode I have shown this sari without kantha. Now this time with shaded kantha on the design. Throughout the design it goes like this, and there is a crack design all over the self print, crack design all over the body. These are best quality gachi by gachi tussar. This is not very heavy. It's a very comfortable material. It's gachi, not gicha. Gicha is a different material which is a very heavy, and it's like jute, but this is not like, it's a West Bengal tussar, gachi by gachi. And this is the blouse. See the blouse, there is a border is there and two floral motifs is also there. This is a light mauve color in the same design, different combination, and the same outline has been done with the deep color thread. It's a light pastel mauve color. How it will look, I'll just show. Just see the fall of this sari. See the texture of the sari. This is the look. See there is a stripe on pallu, and this is the blouse. Just geometrical line is there, and two floral motifs there for blouse, and again sea green color in the same design. See, this is again kantha outline with a deep color thread. It's a very sober, that's why it didn't give any multicolored thread and all. It looks very sober and elegant. Just have a look. This is the blouse and the border is there.